Hello everyone, this is the first problem on CodeJam 2021, Round 1C, Closest Peak. You are entering a raffle. There are K tickets. Each ticket contains a single integer between 1 and K, inclusive. Different tickets are allowed to contain the same integer. N tickets are sold. You know which numbers are on these sold tickets and would like to maximize your odds of winning by purchasing 2 tickets. The raffle result C is chosen uniformly at random. If one of your tickets is strictly closer to C than all other tickets, or if both of your tickets are the same distance to C and strictly closer than all other tickets, then you win the raffle. Given the integers on the N tickets purchased so far, what is the maximum probability of winning the raffle you can achieve by choosing the integers on your 2 tickets optimally? Let's take a look at some examples. The first example, choose ticket 4 and 8. If the raffle result is 4 or 5, ticket 4 is strictly closer than any other sold ticket. If the raffle result is 8, 9, or 10, ticket 8 is strictly closer than any other sold ticket. So we can win if the raffle result is 4, 5, 8, 9, or 10. The winning rate is 5 out of 10. Ticket 6 and 8 is another valid answer. The second example, choose ticket 5 and 8. If raffle result is 5, ticket 5 is strictly closer than any other sold ticket. If raffle result is 8, 9, or 10, ticket 8 is strictly closer than any other sold ticket. So we can win if the raffle result is 5, 8, 9, or 10. The winning rate is 4 out of 10. The third example, all the tickets are sold, there's no way to win. The last example, ticket 3 is only possible choice. If the raffle result is 3, then we win. The winning rate is 1 out of 4. So how to solve this problem? Suppose we are given this input. The sold tickets split range 1 up to K into multiple blocks. We need to choose 2 numbers from these blocks. There are 2 options. Choose 2 numbers from 2 different blocks, or choose 2 numbers from the same block. We can calculate that on every block and compare which option has better winning rate. No matter which option we choose, always take the number that is closest to the sold ticket number. Let's start from the first option. Choose 1 number from each block. On the first block, if we choose 2, we can win if the raffle result is 1 or 2. We should choose the rightmost number in the block to get the maximum winning numbers. Similarly, on the last block, we should choose the leftmost number 11 in the block. We can win if the raffle result is 11, 12, or 13. In the second block, also choose the number that is on the edge of the block. Choose 4. If the raffle result is 4, we can win. But if the raffle result is 5, the distance from 5 to 4 and the distance from 5 to 6 are the same, we cannot win. The max winning number is 1. Choose 5 will lead to the same result. The third block has 3 numbers. If we choose 7 or 9, we can make sure of 2 winning numbers. Basically, if the block is on the edge, we can win all the numbers in this block. If the block is in the middle, we can win half of them. Now check if we choose 2 numbers in the same block. If the blocks are on the edge, choose 1 number from these blocks is enough to make sure we win all the numbers in it. If the blocks are in the middle, choose 2 numbers from the leftmost and the rightmost of the block can make sure we win all the numbers in it. Then compare these 2 options. The first option, we choose 2 blocks. the fourth one and the first. Then when raffle number is 1, 2, 11, 12, 13, we can win. The winning rate is 5 out of 13. Or the fourth one and the third one. Then when raffle number is 7, 8, 11, 12, or 13, we can win. The winning rate is also 5 out of 13. In the second option, we choose the third block and choose 2 numbers from it. Winning rate is 3 out of 13. Or choose the fourth block. The winning rate is also 3 out of 13. The first option has the better winning rate. We can choose the ticket number 7 and 11, or 9 and 11, or 2 and 11. Let's take a look at the code. Sort the array first. Define 2 variables. Option 1 means choose 2 numbers from 2 different blocks. The default value is the number into 8 blocks. Option 2 means choose 2 numbers from the same block. The default value as a list of 0. This can save a line of code in case the given array has only 1 element inside. Go through each middle blocks. Calculate the maximum winning numbers for choosing 1 numbers and 2 numbers respectively. Then sort these to list. Return the maximum winning rate option. Time complexity is n log n because of the sort. Space complexity is O(n). Thank you for watching.